Hours before it is launched, Trabablas has no clear white lines on its roads, and its bridges remain operationally disconnected from the rest of the road. Azvipere mushe panguva ine patiri kuona kuti mutungamiri wenyika mnangagwa vakutosvika launcher the Trabablas interchange kuonekwa kunzi pane irregularities akawandisa ari kuonekwa kunzi apa 88 million apanenge kangorasirwa zvayo mahara nobva subscribe oleko on the belleko topinda muzima yakudonyera chiti 88 million Trabablas interchange launched without clear white road markings. Where did the money go? And remember, it was meant to be a national triumph, a symbol of Zimbabwe's bold leap into modern infrastructure. But just hours before President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grand commissioning of the 88 million Trabablas interchange, reality paints a far bleaker picture. No white lane markings, unconnected bridges, and gaping dead ends that speak louder than any ribbon-cutting speech ever could. The irony is staggering. After nearly 3 years of delays and ballooning cost, Zimbabwe's most expensive interchange is being launched unfinished, unsafe, and visibly dysfunctional. A drone eye view shows not a marvel engineering, but a multi-million-dollar maze of confusion, where roads rise only to stop, bridges lead to nowhere, and the very paint that guides the traffic is conspicuously missing. Ndiwo mashoko ari kuyaitwa nemacritics panguva ino zvinzi aiwa panguva inoi these guys vari kuyachiti vanoiti mutungamiri wenyika commission this Trabablas interchange panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika atokomishina but tinoonekwa kunzi hapana any feature iri worth zvinomechana ne88 million. Panapa yesterday we talked about my signposts akanga ari made up of wood emapuranga akangotorwa. Now we are seeing kuti some of the bridges are not connected. Panguva ine hapana kana white lane markings. Panguva ine zvinhu zviri kurezwa nevanhu vachiti so what kind of a bridge inoonekwa kunzi ine harm kune madrivers. Panguva ine kunzi tichazotanga kunzwa maaccidents achatanga kuitika pathat interchange. Mbodize mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa necorruption iri kuuya panapa ichinzi iri alleged but this Trabablas interchange. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.